How to register on ANB Bank Mobile Banking. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can be registered on Arab National Bank Mobile Banking. For this, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search for the ANB Banking app. So this is the application you want to have installed on your device. Tap on the install button. After you have installed this, you simply want to open the application. Now, you will have three options here: open ANB account, register in ANB Mobile, and log into ANB Mobile. Now, since you want to register, go ahead and tap on the second option. Now, you will have to provide the ID information. You can enter the national ID over here. So go ahead and select national ID and then enter the digits here. Then tap on the next option. You can also use GCC. For that, tap on the GCC option and then go ahead and enter that over here. After you've entered the details, tap on the next option. On the next page, you will have to enter the card information. Go ahead and enter your card number. After that, you want to enter the card PIN. Now tap on the next option. Now you simply want to follow the on-screen instructions and then you will be successfully registered to ANB Bank Mobile Banking. After you have been registered, you can enter your username or national ID, enter your password and tap on the login option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.